There's a feature on LinkedIn company pages that I hadn't paid much attention to, but recently I looked at that and I thought this could be very useful for talent acquisition. It's called commitments. As an admin of your company page, if you go over to edit page and you click on commitments, there's a statement from LinkedIn here that says, use this very deliberately to showcase what your organization cares about and what it's really like to work here. Do not use this section here to promote your brand or your organization's mission statement. Be purposeful about that. When you click continue, you'll see that there's 5 different commitments that LinkedIn feels are important and potentially relevant to lots of different companies. And you can select any or up to all of these 5 different commitments and add them to the commitments section of your LinkedIn company page. I'm going to click on work-life balance and I'm going to fill this out. First of all, you have up to 1,200 characters that you can add for your description about work-life balance. Let me fill that out. Something simple I put in here. Again, you can have 1,200 characters. Now I can add a perk or benefit related to work-life balance. Let's see what they have here. So they have a long list of perks and or benefits. Unlimited vacation days. I can add that. If I want to, I can add casual dress. Let me see what else I have. Flexible work hours. I think I saw another one that's really relevant to me. Remote working options. Let me say, I can have up to 10. Gym on site. So I can add all of the perks and benefits that are relevant to work-life balance that my organization provides. Now I can also add resources. If I had a website, a blog site, maybe a company page that's a public page that's focused to our employees, I can add that. You can add pretty much anything here. But again, you want to make sure that these 5 resources that you list are all about, in this case, work-life balance and not some other marketing stuff. So once I add that, then I could add another commitment. So I go back to the list, and there's 5, and I have 4 left. I'm going to do career growth. Let me fill this out a little bit. Again, 1,200 characters if I want to. Make sure it's grammatically correct. I can list programs. So all separated by a comma. I can also have more resources. And again, in this context, it's about career growth and learning. And I can put resources. Again, this should all be public content, not behind the wall, private content only for employees. If I have up to 5 resources I want to. And once I fill that out, again, I can go back to the list and pick any of the remaining 3 commitments that, again, are important to my company that we can showcase how they are important to us and how we help our employees with those individual commitments. Once I populate those, then what I want to do is turn it on, and then I hit save. Now, once I do that, anybody comes, I can publicly state that I put that if I want to. I'm not going to. Now, anybody who comes and looks at my company page, view as a member, they go to the About section. I'm pretty sure it's under the About section right here. And you scroll down below Overview, and there are commitments. Again, these are really useful to showcase what's important to your company, what you serve and support in the context of your employees and your community, and you not only list them, but you talk about what they are and why they are important to your company for the benefit, again, of your employees and your community. There's work-life balance. There's my statement. There's my featured perks and benefits. There's the resources I put up, just my website. In this case, probably not the best thing to put there. There's the other commitment, career growth. I talk about it, and I list programs that are available to my employees. Commitments on your LinkedIn company page. Check it out. It may be very useful for you as you're trying to attract new talent.